Why people should choose Liakat's English to improve their English speaking skills?
Okay, people should choose Liakat's English in order to improve their speaking skills. That is because we have a lot of experience in speaking. If I say Liakat sir himself has been dealing with several students for the last 10-15 years. He knows how to deal with children or how to deal with people who wants to go abroad, and the people he hires over here is equally and talented. He has selected people from different fields so that the students who are coming here never fails to get enough knowledge. So if a student is not comfortable with one teacher, there's always an alternative. It's not only about the teachers, also the environment over here. There's also a room for you to study in order for you to improve your English. You can also get enough knowledge from there the entire day. There is no restriction to that. So I think that is.
If learners come to you to practice English, you give them the chance or not?
Yes, definitely. I'm always open to conversations, and if it's about IELTS, I would be more than happy to give you suggestion about improving your speaking skills, your listening skills, your writing skills, and as well as reading skills. As I believe that I'm someone, maybe I'm not the best, but I do have the knowledge on how to improve your mistakes, and I can reach you to your desired scores only if you follow what I say.